Okay, guys. You ready? Let's go, guys. It's hot. Sorry, I remember, guys, like, you can't really,
What are you doing?
we tried putting a kayak in my car, it did not work.
It did not work. I was laying down, like...
Now it's in my backyard, but it's okay. Sadie and Monty with us.
Hi!
This is Clara.
Get Chet. We got the old me flip-flops.
Damn!
We got,
A life jacket.
a life jacket, shorts, a tube top, and my cherry coke.
I got my shirt, my life jacket, my shorts, and my shoes.
Got your
And my
Snapple.
kiwi straw.
Yeah.
I got flip-flops, shorts, a tube top, and then a swimsuit under it. My life jacket.
Yes, guys, stay protected.
Sunglasses.
Hello everybody. I got this shirt on, these pants on. Look how beautiful the water
Let's put your information in, and then we use
She got petty crimes, she got green.
Medical emergency. How are you feeling?
Good guys, I got hurt. Hurted it.
It's our medic.
Yeah. Okay, we just got the water. It is really windy out, but it's really pretty. It is so windy. I don't know if you can see, but over there's like little ducks in the water. And see, the wind is pushing us backwards, and she is going. There's Sarah. Clara row. I can't. You got it, Monty! Sarah's strolling. Row your boat. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty great.
Pretty great?
Yeah.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you. I hate the life jacket though.
Oh, it's hot. But you'll float. Monty?
She's fine.
How are you feeling, Sadie?
I feel great. The water is great.
How's your knee doing?
Oh, my knee's good.
Look at those
guys.
Band-Aids. I wrapped her up. Clara, how you feeling? Clara? The heck was that? I'm here with Monty.
Are you sleeping?
Girl is just laying. We're connected. They didn't want to connect to us. Yeah, exactly. Losers. So me and Monty here, we're drinking a Snapple. Just chilling. It's kind of a dead end. It's just like one big lake, but
Yo, we had some dumbass people. I'm not gonna talk. I was gonna, but just to let you know, I was crippled and I was bleeding, and they rushed us, and they were like, "Are you guys getting in or out?"
Boats are facing forward.
Where else do you think we're going? Where else do you think you're going?
there's two ways to enter too. There's little docks to like get off and on.
Literally, if you were that. Plus, we're in rentals, baby. We got time. You are in your home. I'll flash them really. Anyways, say how you feel about them. Oh, don't leave me. How do you feel about them?
Do you like Monty Club?
They're freaking putas pendejas.
Oh, yep. Clara. Wow, Clara, you look majestic. Oh my god.
We're going
Damn.
into.
Oh.
Should we like pedal out?
Oh,
Let's. I touch it.
start singing your part. Part of your world. Oh, ew, man. Monty, get off me! Monty, get off! Monty, stop fucking with people.
I'm falling away.
I'm separating.
All right, everyone say bye to the camera. Oh, Clara.
Okay, we're heading back, guys. We're just chilling.
Bye to the camera. Bye.
Bye, we'll head back to there.
Scar tissue that I wish you saw. Sarcastic Mr. Know-It-All. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. And with the birds I'll share this lonely view. And push me up.
Guys, we
against the
finished
wall.
kayaking.
Yes, we finished.
Y'all like it? Hey!
Now we're going to Subway.
Okay. We're at Subway. We're getting some food. Yummy.
I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna get turkey. We got our Subway. Is it good? Ooh. Hello, guys.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, so it's nighttime now.
It's Lexi, Sadie, and Monty. I'm actually sleeping.
She's sitting back there.
But we finished bathroom.
Yes. After we went kayaking, we went swimming, we weren't, and then we went to go watch Backrooms.
Yes. It was okay.
I didn't think it was bad, but if you watch Obsession, it wasn't as good as Obsession.
Yeah.
I really like that movie.
But it was pretty good actually. There's you think about it definitely after you watch
you
the movie.
need some lore. Because
Yeah.
if you don't know anything, I would be lost.
I would be completely I never watched all lore, but I know some things about it.
too.
Roblox really helped, guys.
No, I'm gonna play that game.
Yes, bro.
But
yeah, well,
now we're on to
Clara's. We're gonna go Bonfire.
yes, we're meeting Claire and Sarah up there to go roast some s'mores.
So we'll see you
I'm
guys
excited.
then.
Yes, we'll see y'all there.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
I call this one the campfire song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along.
Bye, guys.